Hey, it's Miss Todoric. I wanted to share with you one of my favorite student YouTubers. He's on my top 10. Look what he had to say.
On to the most important part of my setup. Now, you would probably think the most important part of my setup is probably my PC, but no, that is not the most important part of my setup. The most important part of my setup is my headset. I know you guys might think I'm weird for that, but the reason why this is really my most important part is because this headset really means a lot to me. And it's like it was gifted by one of my best friends slash teachers. She's like really the best. Like at times, like in school when I'm really down and needed help, like she would really give me good advice. Like she wasn't only just a teacher, she was like a mother to me. And she gifted me this headset. It's called the Tatibo. I don't know if I said that right, but I don't really know how much this headset costs. But I'm gonna be putting it up right here on the screen. Now, it looks low quality, but no, trust me, you do not want to underestimate this headset. This headset, great quality, great sound system, and just overall just really good. The mic sounds crisp, bro. Like every day when I'm playing the game, it's like like people are complimenting my mic and asking me like, how did I get my mic that good? And I'm just saying, yo, I just got this headsets from my teacher. So big shout out to you, Mr. Doric. I'm gonna put up your channel. Hey, y'all go subscribe. She's a real one for real. So let's move on to the next item.
Thank you so much. No, please, everyone subscribe to my student. Big shout out to him. All the best to you and your channel. I'm so glad you started. I'm so glad you're continuing to constantly post. I see more and more activity on your channel. So I just look forward to seeing and watching this channel grow. And that is why this particular YouTuber is on my top 10. So I know a lot of students, but it takes those special students, and he is definitely one of them, along with my friends and family. So Dragon, Kaitu Fly over here. So Kobe. So this is my top 10, and he's right here. So big shout out if you're watching this. Anyone who's watching my channel, please subscribe, support at KEEWY capital D UG. 444 subscribers as of July 9th, and we are going to watch this channel grow. He is absolutely amazing, and he's got way better editing skills than I do. So excellent, and we will keep creating content together. Love it. All right, enjoy your summer. All the best. Bye.